Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. Who invented the light bulb? There is more to the story than just Thomas Edison. Answer: several inventors contributed, but Thomas Edison is credited with the commercial viable incandescent bulb. What was the original purpose for the invention of chewing gum? Answer: to clean teeth through its use shifted over time. What everyday household item was originally used for writing on chalkboards? Answer: the blackboard eraser, originally made of flint. In which Olympic sport are athletes judged on synchronized swimming routines? Answer: artistic swimming, formerly synchronized swimming. What is the name of the most prestigious international soccer football tournament held every 4 years? Answer: FIFA World Cup. What is a traditional martial art originating from Japan that emphasizes through a joint locks? Answer: Judo. What is the name of the first reusable spacecraft to carry humans into space? Answer: Space Shuttle, retired in 2011. What is the name of the International Space Station currently in orbit around Earth? Answer: International Space Station. What is the name of the dystopian novel set in a future where society is divided into factions based on personality traits? Answer: The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. What is the name of the dystopian novel set in a future where society is divided into factions based on personality traits? Answer: The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. What famous children's book features a mischievous rabbit who lives down a hole? Answer: Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. What is the name of the literary genre that features fantastical elements like magic and mythical creatures? Answer: Fantasy. I am a word of 5 letters. I am spelled the same backward as forward. What I am I? Answer: race car. A farmer has 17 sheep and all but one jump over a fence. How many sheep jump the fence? Answer: 16 sheep jump the fence. All but 1 is equals to 16. What is a Bermuda Triangle and what are some of the theories behind the mysterious disappearance reported there? Answer: open-ended discussion about a geographical anomaly and unexplained disappearance. What is the mystery surrounding the Easter Island status mole? Answer: open-ended discussion about the purpose and construction of the status. What is the name of the international financial institution that regulates international monetary cooperation? Answer: International Monetary Fund. What is the difference between a stock and a bond in the stock market? Answer: stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are loans made to a company or government. What is a term for a large group of companies that dominate a particular industry? Answer: conglomerate. What historical event marked the fall of the French monarchy and the beginning of the French Revolution? Answer: storming of the Bastille. What is the process by which scientists use controlled experiments to test a hypothesis? Answer: the scientific method. What is the name of the artificial intelligence program developed by Google's DeepMind that defeated the world champion in the complex game of Go? Answer: AlphaGo. What is a theory that explains the origin of the universe through a massive explosion? Answer: the Big Bang theory. What is the name of the artistic movement that emerged in the early 20th century, known for its abstract and fragmented forms? Answer: Cubism. What is the traditional Japanese art form that involves arranging flowers in a container? Answer: Ikebana. What is the name of the four-stringed instrument typically played with a bow, a cornerstone of many classical music pieces? Answer: violin. What is the name of the popular social media platform known for its short form videos? Answer: TikTok. What fictional detective character is known for his love of gadgets and his catchphrase? Great Scott. Answer: DOC. Brown from Back to the Future. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.